Versus trout for mentors. So John just threw out. See if he can catch one. They're hitting really good. So
using some power bait garlic.
yeah, he's getting a bite.
Hitting it. Missed him.
He missed him. Our other team member, Gordy, he's over there. He got one.
Oh, Gordy, did you get one? That's a brown.
That's a
chub.
It's a chub.
Gordy comes in here, yep, he hooks.
Nice chub.
That's what I came for.
He hooks a super chub.
That's good eating.
Super chub.
That's good eating.
John's putting back some
just a little ball of power bait.
Power bait.
On the old size 10 hooks.
While Gordy's over there finishing his. Oh, we actually just caught a palomino and a few other trout right here. So, see what John can do in the next cast. Let's see if he can catch his fish back.
Swallowed it.
There he goes. He's gone.
Let's get this trout for you.
Yeah, that's a chub. I wouldn't really down.
It's alright. That's good spot.
That's exactly what I came
There he is. He's getting bites.
No.
Never mind. He's not.
Recasting.
He's gonna recast because that was a bad cast.
How you get this hook out?
There you go.
Good one.
See if he catches one here.
We'll get him bit.
Fish on. He got one. Oh yeah. I mean that it.
That's a trout for y'all.
Trout.
Nice one.
Gordy, you might just top the thing off and put you have hooks, put a new one on. I don't know if I have any more over here.
Oh, getting that.
I got it.
There, bring him. Bring him back. There we go.
That's a trout.
Nice trout for John.
Trout trout.
Yeah. Alright, we'll see you guys soon.
Hey guys,
With
just
snag
hooked
here
into a
and
nice
carp.
trout.
I'm opening my bail so you can get it in.
Nice one.
Oh, I'm out.
Nice keeper there. Stay tuned, guys.
Huntin', fishin', lovin' every day. That's the prayer that a country boy prays.